What's up, buddy?
Yo, where are we going right now?
We're getting the
Hey, you're not supposed to say what it is.
You're about to find out.
This dude's about to go to law class, and he's about to drop me off to pick up this unsaid car.
That's right.
Studies in contract law. Oh, you're highlighting.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Getting into it. Dang, that's deep, buddy.
A little bit.
Dude, we're almost there, bro.
Almost there, buddy.
This has turned out to be the most complicated day trying to get money out of the bank because it's Columbus Day. My bank was on a bunch of and I couldn't get my money out, so I thought I wasn't going to be able to go buy this car today just because of the bank. I didn't even know it was Columbus Day. Who cares about Columbus? Why do we have a holiday where the banks are closed for Columbus? But I got my money another way, and now I'm about to get the car. 5 minutes. You guys are about to get to see what car in 5 minutes. All right. There is the dealership. Which car do you think of these cars is mine? Bro, the gold Audi TT is crazy. I used to have it's a Mark IV Audi TT. I had a TT like that.
G-Wagon?
G-Wagon, yeah. Oh, yo. Dude, his plate says Corsair. This car is definitely on air. Back home in the Tesla, and look what I see. It's perfect. Also, the car has literally been driving the entire time, and I haven't had to mess with it once. I just have to keep my eyes on the road, and the car has been perfectly driving. It is really weird when it is like getting off of exits. It'll like aggressively pass people. Literally the coolest thing on earth. This is so cool. So this is a gas station and the road's right there, and there's a couple other little shops and stuff, but then you walk around back, and what's back here? Bunch of superchargers.